Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what QuickTime sees, open the file and read the error, then check the extension. Next, inspect the codec details with Finder Get Info or Media Info so you know why playback fails. This matters because QuickTime supports H, 264, HEVC, and AAC natively, but not every codec. Once you have the codec name, you can choose whether to transcode, install a compatible codec, or remux the container. These decisions determine the next steps. Now you decide between remuxing and transcoding. If the codec is supported but the container is incompatible, remux with FFmpeg using stream copy. That's fast and lossless. If the codec is unsupported, transcode with Handbrake or FFmpeg to H, 264 or HEVC and AAC audio. Make sure to set bitrate and resolution to preserve quality. For web or QuickTime, use the fast start flag. Once done, test the new file in QuickTime to confirm smooth playback before deleting the original. Finish by trying safer alternatives if conversion isn't desirable. Install trusted codec packs or plugins, but only from reputable sources. Avoid random downloads. Next, confirm file permissions and run disk utility first aid if QuickTime errors persist, because file system issues can block playback. If problems remain, read console logs for error codes and play the file in VLC to check integrity. If VLC plays it, re-examine QuickTime plugin choices or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.